Hello, my name is Tayshawn Davis, and my topic statement, which is my research problem, is will having previous knowledge about a type of food lead to a positive attitude towards the food? So, to search this, I went to the NKU homepage, this one. I scrolled all the way up, went to quick links, then I went to library, scroll all the way down, database list, P for psych info, scroll down to see, click on that psych info tab. To find this, I did two searches, but this one I just typed in food attitudes because I didn't really have a category in mind, just this from doing an email with you. I scroll down, the second one talking about anosmic patients interested in me. To filter this, I make sure I was in psych info and not another database, so it strictly filters psychological articles, mostly journal articles. So in the abstract I read, it often contained the same words in my research problem, food and attitude. In this one, they were trying to see if anosmic patients have a negative attitude towards some or all foods because they can have no perception of taste or smell, versus people who are not anosmic and can taste and smell. Do they have a positive attitude? And this one, according to the abstract, resulted in exactly that most of the anosmic patients have a negative attitude towards a lot of food because they cannot taste it or smell it, versus the other group having a positive attitude. This is my first one that I researched. The second one, I just went back up here. So first I had typed in food attitudes I did different. Still that first one popped up, of course. And this one I got my second one. And I was just looking, had nothing in mind besides food attitudes, the topic. And this one, I used the same research techniques, just the different word, which is food attitude different. The other one was just food attitudes. So two different search techniques. I knew this abstract was related, overall this journal article was related to my research topic because this one, according to the abstract, talks about people, will they have a positive attitude toward genetically modified foods if they previously are informed about the possible or potential quote-unquote benefits of genetically modified technology, what it does and how it could potentially quote-unquote help better the human population overall. And this actually turned out to be true. According to this study, as long as people are informed about a previous thing, they'll tend to have a positive attitude toward it unless it's inhumane. And these are my two peer-reviewed journal articles that I found on PsycInfo relating to food attitude.